housing group, the main manager came down and told us that our house has been selected for this special project. And we are very happy and excited, and we really need this energy efficiency and our house being as a model for the future.
Mr. Gascoigne was very nice about it. Next thing he rang through and said, we have won the competition. I had no idea it was a competition. I just thought it was something going on.
We had nearly 400 initial applications, and of these we funded 200 design studies. Of these design studies, we funded 86 projects to demonstrate their solution. Bere Architect had 2 of these successful projects. The consortium that Bere Architects brought together has taken a holistic, whole house, passive house approach.
Okay, well, a passive house is fundamentally a very well insulated, draft-free house, which allows the fabric to retain the passive heat given off by occupants, by appliances within the building, and also from solar gains through windows.
As a world, a nation, we need to reduce obviously the carbon footprint and the emissions that are going in the environment. Obviously, you only got to turn on the news and see the latest events of Brazil and Australia to see that we are somewhere along the lines we are causing a lot of damage and destruction to the earth. And if we start off with just free pass-through drive, reducing their footprint, then it's a start, isn't it? It's important to do.
If we can reduce the heat load of dwellings by conserving energy more efficiently, we can better fulfil our responsibility to provide affordable, fit-for-purpose accommodation now and for future generations to come.
Well, a new build only accounts for about 1% of the building stock each year, so we need to address the existing stock, and this is a global situation that we share with our partners in Europe and worldwide.
And there's also aspects of it whereby comfort of residents in social housing particularly are going to be affected by fuel poverty. And if you can reduce the need for fuel in these houses, it's going to mean that they're a lot more solvent and a lot less likely to be hit by that kind of thing in the future.
Mainly the problems we are facing are from the windows, because you can see they are probably 1950s or 60s windows and metal frames and single glazed. Plus you can't close them properly as well. So that was the main priority on it, is to change the windows. Last winter we had about £600 bill for the gas and electric, so it's quite expensive. You can see this permanent cloth, it's always here. Sometimes we use the old t-shirts to put it here, so it sucks up more water. You can see it damp builds up here, and you will find a lot of bubbles around here because it's covered, and this is external. Yeah, Dad just wiped it around 9 o'clock today. It's 10 o'clock now. You can still see the moist on the windows. There's water there. There's water. Sometimes water spills on the floor, and when it was like peak winter time, when it was -4 or something, it came around here, the water.
Well, there's one with 1 sugar. Right, there's one with 2 sugars.
But I'll tell you, can I just show you something there just for a minute? Yeah. Just come in, just here, where that, I don't know where the draft comes from, but it comes from there. It's not up here, but it is from there down. Because you know, if you don't pay the electric and the gas and what have you, you're going to lose it. It's going to be turned off. And you can't afford that, so you have to economise on other things.
You can feel the temperature of like about 1 or 2 degrees difference between that point and this point down here.
There's a draft comes, there's like a wind that comes. I don't know where, it's not, I don't know where, it's not quite a gale, but you can feel this cold wind coming from wherever it comes from. I've looked everywhere, can't find it.
Something is special for in future this country and maybe all over the world it will be. Who think about this program? It is very good and very good for the future. I told my friend and a lot of people they are also interested in this project. They say when it will be finished they come my house and look.
And we love living here. We love. I wouldn't want to move from this house.
It might be a slight upheaval for 6 to 8 to 10 weeks. But then again, I was thinking a lot about it and I thought, well, I'm more inquisitive now about the outcome that I wanted to take place. I'm looking forward to it now, to be quite honest with you.